Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new project called Luna Ape. It's an auto staking and auto compounding protocol which will give you 200,000% APY. If you're new to this channel, let me just explain to you how this works. You simply buy the tokens, hold them in your wallets, and you get the rewards automatically in your wallet, okay? As of right now, I would say the king, so to say, of those auto staking and auto compounding protocols is Seifu. It has been working for a couple of months now. And of course, you will also find a couple of videos about Seifu and other auto staking and auto compounding protocols on my channel. So feel free to watch them. So let me show you more about this protocol here. As of right now, it is on pre-sale on Pink Sale Finance. And the pre-sale will end in 3 hours and 6 minutes. And the interesting thing about it is, there are always a couple of projects trying to make a pre-sale on Pink Sale Finance, okay? And for example, some of those projects, they want, for example, just 10 BNB, and at the end of the pre-sale, they get just, let's say, 1 or 3 BNB, yeah? And the interesting thing about this protocol is, look, they were looking to get 100 BNB, but they already have 467 BNB, okay? And of course, some of those projects that get just 5% or 10% of what they are looking for at the beginning, if they do a lot of marketing, of course, they have the potential to do better in the future. But this protocol has much more already at pre-sale. So this could be a good hint that it could do pretty good in the future. Of course, you never know, but I mean, if so many people are interested in it and they're getting much more than what they were looking for, it's usually a good sign, okay? So they also have a video here. Pretty epic music and so, yeah. But of course, I will put the links in the description and feel free to watch the video and yeah. Okay, so let me show you guys. Luna Ape is the next innovative DeFi release for the Binance Smart Chain that is designed to provide holders of Luna Ape high passive returns just by holding a token, and smart contract does all the work for them, okay? As I've told you, just buy the tokens, hold them, and you get the rewards, okay? Easy as that, yeah? Let me show you something. You see they have here you see the fundamentals. If you want to, you can read them. And the interesting thing about this is, of course, the rewards, yeah? They have a dual reward system with auto staking and auto compounding at 200,000% APY, yeah? Luna Classic rewards, Luna Classic buy and burn, Luna Classic partnerships, buy and burn platform, NFT platform, buy and burn platform, scratch cards and casino, Pink Sale awarded Seifu security badge. That is very interesting, and guys, of course, if you see this video and it's not on pre-sale anymore, you can buy it on PancakeSwap, okay? Let me also show you, for example, here you will have the calculator. That means it will show you the amount you have and your initial investment and your return. And of course, there will also be the calculator. Here you can see your account. As right now it says 199,875. Okay, it's a little bit different. It's not 200,000, but okay, here you can see all of this, okay? So let me show you here, guys, what's very important, or a good feature that I would say. I mean, of course, the auto staking feature is just you hold them, and as you can see, you get 2.1% daily in your wallet, okay? Your tokens will increase every 30 minutes. So you just buy it, hold, earn. That's it. Simply do this, okay? If you are interested in that, just do it, okay? But as always, guys, no financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any project. And yeah, but if you have some money left, you could give it a try. And the good thing about this project is that there's always such a big interest at pre-sale stage, okay? It should also be somehow safe because they have the Seifu badge. That means, Seifu badge means that the project cannot be manipulated by the developer to hurt investors and gain an unfair advantage over them. Seifu badge will be given to projects whose owner is KYC and their contracts developed with below specifications and ownership held by Seifu developer. So should also be pretty safe. You can feel free to read all of this. The information will be down in the description of the video, guys. So yeah, could be good. And the most important thing, is that there is such a big interest already now. A lot of people invest in this project. And yes, of course, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.